Alright, so real quick, I'm gonna go over my trades from today, July 21st, 2023. So, so basically, on the 1 hour, around 10 a.m., shit was looking like this candle right here. So my bias was bearish, right? I 100% bearish. I was on the 1 minute. And then I saw price dropping like this. It was already 10 a.m. So I said, all right, well, if we're gonna have a continuation, this fair value gap is most likely to hold. And then I put my stop loss right above this this little order block right here. You can call it an order block, whatever the fuck you want to call it. But usually, like I say in all of my videos, when a price is gonna respect bearish or bullish order flow, it's gonna respect the bearish or bullish candles. Like this candle, if it was gonna respect it, it had to not close above it, which is exactly what it did, and it stopped me out, right? And then price decided to. So this is the thing, right? My mistake was I wasn't paying attention to the 15-minute, or I was, but I wasn't really looking at it as much as I should have been. So I marked this little sell side imbalance buy side inefficiency after I took the loss because I saw where price was headed to, and then so after that, after I got stopped out, which was like right in this candle right here, the 10-12 candle, I saw that okay, since price is breaking structure, it's market structure shifting like this, it's going up. All right, so what I did was I drew this fair value gap right here. Boom. I got in at the fair value gap right here and a stop loss below here, and I was gonna target this imbalance right here. All right, that's why I had it marked up like that. And then while I was in the trade, I actually noticed that price tapped into the 15-minute fair value gap, so I closed around right here at break even. So that was that trade. And I wanted to get in for a short right here, but price never came back to it, and I basically missed out on the trade I was looking for. But either way, I was looking for one of three, and for some fucking reason, price never took out this low, which is kind of stupid. But that right there is just engineering liquidity. As you can see, it's accumulating right now, so it's gonna manipulate and then probably distribute up here to this liquidity right here. But yeah, that's basically what happened. And then I switched over to YM, which is where I took another losing trade. Yeah, today was just straight L's. I didn't take a single dub. So I saw this right here. I saw price heading over here. And so what I did was, or no. I saw price over here. So similar to yesterday's trades, I was looking at price. I was basically looking at price, and that NQ and both ES were dropping around that time. So if you take a look at this, dropping, NQ dropping, but for whatever fucking reason, YM decided not to follow, and so I obviously knew that they had taken liquidity, for sure I knew that, but the thing is I didn't want to take a buy because, as you can see on the daily chart, we had tapped into a fuck, where is it at? We had grabbed highs, right? We had already grabbed highs. We grabbed this high as well. And since yesterday's candle closed below that high, I was expecting bearishness for US 30 as well. I definitely kept in mind this SIBI, but I didn't expect it to hold. But obviously it did hold. And yeah, I mean, that was basically US 30's trade. I got stopped out pretty quickly. Well, not quickly, but yeah, fairly quickly. I got in right here, and stop loss was above here. Literally got stopped out by a tick, and then it went back to break even, and then the rest is history, right? So that was wham, and And then my last trade was a break-even trade. So like I mentioned yesterday, so when price leaves lows like this and then reverses and then hasn't taken out this low yet, like previous lows, it's usually the algorithm telling you that, okay, we're gonna reprice, but eventually we're gonna take those lows out. So that was basically my thought process with this. Was I thought price was gonna reprice to here, which it did, and I put my stop loss above here, stop loss above there, and then my take profit was gonna be below this, below the low, around 75 points. So my 103, but price ended up giving me like a 101.5 right here, and then eventually I moved my stop to around over. Okay, so once it created this high and then started breaking like that, because this is kind of like inducement right here, and then it filled in this fair value gap, almost filled it in, this right here. So this is kind of like inducement right here, and then I put my stop loss right over here once price started going down like that, and then it got stopped at break even right there. So that was NQ's trade, the last trade for NQ. Honestly, like, say it was just ass. The real trade that I wanted to take was this, the same fair value gap, but it never got tapped into right there, for my 103. Unfortunately, I wanted to take this breaker block setup, but I do not take breakers because I don't believe in breakers. I don't like breaker blocks. In my honest opinion, I don't like them. Either way, my 103 never got hit, and I probably would have gotten stopped like probably around here. Yeah, break even, because I would have put my stop loss right there. But yeah, that was NQ's trades, and that was all of my trades for today. And as you can see on MT4, hold on. As you can see on MT4, we took a 0.5% loss, break even, 0.5% break even, 0.5% break even, for a negative 1.6% loss today. So yeah, that's today. And if you see custom period, for the last week, we're down around 3.5%, almost 4%. So yeah, I mean, my trading can definitely improve, but you know, I'm not here to say I'm the best trader, because I'm not, but I'm just here to document this and show what I see in the market and my experience in it. So I hope you learned something from this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.